Ever wondered why your accountant friends never seem to go broke? Could it be they're secretly hoarding treasures, or perhaps they've mastered the art of balancing assets and liabilities? Welcome to the fascinating world of finance, where assets and liabilities are like cookies and cookie monsters. Imagine your assets as delicious cookies in a jar. They're your money makers, bringing in the dough, quite literally. They could be anything from your salary to your savings, investments, or even that priceless baseball card collection you've been hoarding since you were 10. Now let's meet the cookie monster. This is your liability. It's always hungry and always after your cookies. These are your debts, loans, credit card bills, or even that expensive coffee habit you just can't seem to quit. The secret to financial stability isn't a hidden treasure, but understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. It's all about keeping that cookie jar full and the cookie monster in check. So are you an asset cookie jar or a liability cookie monster? Stay tuned to find out. Our channel is all about financial freedom. We are dedicated to providing you with must-know tips and information for you to achieve financial freedom and live your best lives. So click that subscribe button and the bell icon to become one step closer to achieving financial fitness. Now imagine assets as your golden eggs. They're what you accumulate to increase your wealth. They're like your favorite superhero, always there to save the day. Think about it. Cash, it's the Superman of assets, always ready to rescue. Investments, they're the Batman, dark and mysterious, but with the right strategy, they can pack quite a punch. Properties, on the other hand, are like Wonder Woman, standing tall and majestic. And here's the fun part. These superheroes don't just sit around. They work for you. Yes, they're like the golden goose, constantly laying eggs. Your cash earns interest, your investments grow, and your properties appreciate. It's like having a superhero squad that never sleeps, constantly working to increase your wealth. So remember, more golden eggs, more wealth. But beware of the liabilities. They're like the villains who can snatch your golden eggs. Now onto the villains of our story, the liabilities. They're like the Grinch who stole Christmas, always ready to snatch your wealth away. Imagine you've got a mountain of golden eggs, each egg representing your hard-earned assets. Now, picture a group of sneaky, wealth-snatching Grinches lurking around, eyeing your treasure. These Grinches are your liabilities, loans, credit card debts, mortgages, and the like. Every time you take on a new liability, it's like you're giving a Grinch permission to swoop in and snatch a golden egg. Oh, a new car loan! Here you go, Mr. Grinch. Enjoy your shiny new egg. And just like that, your mountain starts to shrink. These liabilities, these wealth snatchers, they're not your friends. They're crafty and cunning, always on the hunt for a new golden egg to steal. So, always be on the lookout for these wealth snatchers. Remember, your goal is to keep your golden eggs safe. So how do you keep your golden eggs safe from these wealth snatchers? It's all about the great balancing act. Imagine you're a financial superhero, your cape fluttering in the wind. You've got a powerful shield of assets and a heavy burden of liabilities. Your mission? To keep them in balance. Your assets are your superpowers. They're what give you strength. They're your real estate, your stocks, your savings, all the things that put money into your pocket. Then there are your liabilities, the villains of our story. They're your debts, your loans, your credit card bills, the things that drain money out of your pocket. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to expand your powers, your assets, and defeat the villains, your liabilities. So are you ready to be your own financial superhero? Remember, more assets, fewer liabilities, and voila, you've cracked the code to never going broke. Now go out there and start accumulating those golden eggs.